Oh yeah, so excited about this. The long-awaited Diavel. Whew. Cruise control. Yeah, buddy. Oh, it's awesome. What's good, guys? Welcome to another demo ride. I'm test riding the beautiful, badass 2016 Ducati XDiavel. This is the non-S standard model. And we're in upstate New York. Unfortunately, it rained right before we took off, so they put our bikes in urban mode, which is the kind of the low power mode. But even in that, this bike is freaking fun, and the throttle response is still pretty good. Look. Woo! So what's great about this bike is this bike has variable valve timing, so you get almost full torque, peak torque at 5,000 RPM, which is just freaking awesome. Like, I'm in 5th gear, 4,000 RPM. Look at this. Just takes off, man. Seriously. Just take off. Unbelievable. So nice. Shifter is direct. You know, like, it has the forward, the foot controls. So you can expect for it to shift like a cruiser, right? But it shifts like a sport bike, you know. It's amazing. I think this is a very nice balance. Excuse me. This is a very nice balance in between a cruiser and a Diavel, and a sport bike. And I see why people fall in love with this bike right away. I love it too. This is great. Wow. Man, thank God this thing has a big rear tire, so you can actually put this power down. So comfortable. Look, I'm gonna put it back on cruise control. Oh man, so nice. What is this squid doing? Dude must be freezing, man. Oh my god, the torque, even in urban mode, is freaking unbelievable. Okay, I gotta close the throttle to change the modes. They're gonna yell at me, but I'm gonna do it, because fuck that. I waited so long to ride this bike. I'm not gonna ride it in just urban modes. Fuck that shit. There we go, sport. Nice, there we go. Wow, the engine actually kind of changed characteristics. Huh. Wow. Woo! Throttle response is noticeably better. And like I said before, this bike has, or if I didn't say before, this bike has cruise control, heated grips, ABS, traction control, launch control, all the tech stuff you would want. This one has it. Like, I'm actually getting hit hard with the raindrops. Wow, it feels like pebbles. Holy shit. But the wind is actually not bad. But is this sleet? Oh shit, it's sleet. Oh man, that hurts. Oh, this hurts. Hurting my legs. Wow. This rain is legit insane. Fuck, I feel cold already. I am not prepared to ride in the rain. Oh man, my jacket is getting soaked. Come on, man. This guy is fucking riding mad slow. Okay, this is a total different route. I think they're turning us back around. That sucks. Okay, that sucks. Very unfortunate. I am totally soaked. Man, this is unfortunate. Oh, this demo ride is getting cut short. That's very unfortunate. Whoa, man. It felt like it's gonna wheelie. I'm dead serious. Holy shit. Okay. Wow, this is too much. Might as well just put it on cruise control, right? I'm actually very sad I didn't get to take this in the twisties because, you know, I was very curious to see how it performs. You know, it's unfortunate, but what are you gonna do, you know? Mother Nature does whatever she wants to do. Fuck. These raindrops are so strong, man. Oh man, the rain's dripping down my butt. Riding position is actually very comfortable, and it's not awkward at all to me. I feel just fine, and I guess because I'm used to riding cruisers now. Yeah, what the fuck is this guy doing in the Monster? Let's go, man. Fuck it, we're getting wet, we're soaked already. Let's just at least enjoy the short ride, you know. I mean, this is a very, very comfortable bike. And this seat is very comfortable. It fits me great. has a nice little, like a swoop to the, so like a nice little swoop to it, so it holds you in place nicely. Man, the torque is unbelievable. So good. So good. The front end really want to come up. Like, I'm sure you can wheelie this thing. Wow. Man, it sounds so good when you're downshift. Go, let's go, come on. Alright guys, so unfortunately we had to finish our demo ride early, so I'll see you guys in another video. Take care.